Hello, dude. Say hello, Towers. Look at my big guy. What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Life with Sina. In today's video, I am going to be doing my nails again, but compared to the video that I did last year where I was doing gel overlays for the first time, this time I'm going to be attempting to do polygel extensions on my nail for the first time. If you guys do enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and without me blabbering on much longer, let's get straight into this video. So I bought this polygel kit from Lenovo Gel. The kit came in this adorable holographic bag kind of thing, which I did not know it was going to come with, so I don't know, I'm pretty chuffed about the bag. Before I open this up and show you guys exactly what I got, I just want to let y'all know that I have never attempted polygel in my life. I am not good at doing nails, even like just my gel nails or my overlay gel nails. I'm not good at doing that. I have not done it in a very long time, as you can see. Okay, so this is what my nails are looking like now, very uneven, broken. And I haven't bothered to do my nails because they're always getting chipped and messed up at gym anyway, and also I'm just not putting in the time to do it properly. So from Lenovo I picked up 3 gel colors and 1 rubber base coat. With hair in my mouth. The rubber base coat is kind of a pinkish color. I'll show you guys a close-up of the colors later in this video when we sit down. On their website they do have bundles available, so instead of buying single like colors, if you have 5 colors that you want to buy, you can buy the bundle of 5 and you get a discounted price for buying them all in a bundle or something. I don't know, it's all on the website, you guys can go and have a look, but I got the bundle of 3 and the rubber base coat, the polygel kit. So the polygel kit comes with 3 polygel colors. It comes in little tubes like this. Okay, it comes in a clear, a beige, and a pink, I think. So that's the 3 polygel colors it comes with. Then it also comes with the slip solution, which is basically just I think a 90% alcohol solution or something. Then it comes with a little nail clip, and it comes with your spatula and your brush on the other end. Lord knows how you use these because I've never used this before. Okay, and then you also get a nail file with the kit and a pack of dual forms, which comes in a nice organized little case, which I love because I've seen places sell dual forms in like packets, and then I don't know, it just irritates me. So everything's nice and organized in a little case like this. That's pretty much it. So we're gonna attempt this. Oh, hello. I have seen so many YouTube videos and tutorials of how to do this, so it looks easy, but I feel like it's not going to be that easy. I'll chat to you guys in a little bit and let's do some nails. Okay, so I don't know if you can hear me, but I am going to talk because I need to be talking to someone while attempting this because I am extremely nervous. So I'm going to use this as my little container for the slip solution because I don't have a small container. As far as I know, you put a dehydrator and then a base coat. Then you cure the base coat and then you wipe the stickiness off from the base coat, and then you start with your polygel. So I have already prepped my nails, as you can see. So before that, I'm going to just put a gel bonder on first. This is my dehydrator. I'm going to only do my my left hand on camera, because my right hand will probably take like the rest of the day. So the idea is to put the polygel on, cure it, shape it, and then I'm going to put another base coat on and put this navy blue color that I just showed you on, because I want color on my polygel. I got my tips. They more or less fit. I did read up and they said that people say that it's better for it to be a bit bigger than smaller, because you can always file down, and if it's too small you're gonna have problems. So where's my brush? Okay, so this is a spatula that we're supposed to use to scoop the polygel and put it in, and the other end is my brush. So brush is new, so I'm just gonna break it up there. I have never worked with a nail brush in my life before, so I'm freaking scared. Why am I so nervous? So let's put the base coat on, shall we? Minutes. This is cured and it is sticky, so we're supposed to remove the stickiness, because if it's too sticky, apparently the polygel just kind of slips off the nail. So I have just 70% or 90% sanitizer here, so I'm just going to use that and wipe that stickiness off. Apparently, Lord, I hope I'm doing this right. Let's attempt a bead on the polygel. Okay, so you need to wet your brush with your slip and take your polygel, and okay, so we need to put a big old blob on the nail here. I have no idea how much to put. I'm so scared. Okay, let's work with that slot. Okay, so I'm thinking I'm liking how that's looking, so now I should have done one nail at a time with the... Ooh. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm supposed to smooth it out for you as well. You guys cannot see what I'm doing, but yeah, I'm just like supposed to smooth it out on the end here. So nerve-wracking. Why have I decided to do this? I could have just stuck with no nails at all. We're gonna cure for 2 minutes and then 1 minute on the underside of the nail. So it's curing. I am scared. I see air bubbles, which is not good. Oh wow, okay, it feels a bit quite hard actually. Pop it off, I guess. Huh. I did it! This camera is supposed to be good at focusing. Hello. Okay, so that's what it looks like. There's a bit of an air bubble on the bottom, which I'm not too happy about. Okay, so I'm just finishing curing the second nail. I thought I'd just show on camera how the second one goes. Then I'll carry on with the rest of my hand. So okay. This one was also, but I felt like it was a bit too thick on the edges, but they are hard, and let's pop it off. Ooh, this is so satisfying. Okay, not bad. I think you do have to file it down so it like becomes one with your nail, but okay, so far so good, I guess. So far not so bad, I guess. Okay, so now I'm gonna go do 1, 2, 3, and I have no idea how long it's gonna take me, so I will be back in a little bit to show you what the other 3 look like. Okay, so it is about, I think about half an hour later, and I just finished bake this pinky, so I popped that off. Okay, so that's what will look like right now. Let me turn this light up so you can see. That's what they look like right now. One issue is that underneath, I don't know if the camera is gonna get this. So the only issue is that underneath, the polygel kind of cured over my nails, so it's a bit thick underneath there, and I don't have a drill to drill under the nail to buff it out. But it's not a biggie for me. It's not uncomfortable or anything, but we'll see what I can do about it. Maybe when it grows out I can just like, I don't know. Okay, so what I need to do now is I need to buff and cut these. So I'm gonna cut it about there. Whoa, okay. Okay, so I have a new buffing cube which I'm gonna use because it's just a bit more rough. So son of a bitch, I have no idea what to do now. Do I file it? Okay, let me shape the thumb and see how it goes. It's pretty strong, eh? Like, it's really just not budging off my nail. Okay, so that's the length now, what we're looking like. So let's go and buff the top. Okay, you guys. Oh, this was such a fuck up. Okay, so this is what they look like now. Okay. I managed to somehow file and shape it. This is how short I wanted them. The pinky didn't really work out with the shaping. All good. But this is too flippin' thick. I hope the camera's catching it right, but it is too thick underneath, and it looks fine from the top. And it's not uncomfortable or anything. You can just see that it's a bit thick. So I have to invest in a bit of a nail drill, I guess. Okay, so oh my god, it is 5:30, you guys, seriously. But I finished the other hand, and I managed to get this one a little bit thinner, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna need a nail drill to get in there because I'm not good at this. Anyway, so now let's move on to finally the color, which I have no idea how it's gonna look because it's so thick on like the tips. It's so bad, oh my god. But it's so thick on the tips, so I don't know how I'm gonna color it in, but we shall see. Okay, I am finally freaking done. Only took the entire day. Oh my god. Okay, so I am finally done. They don't look that great. They could be a bit better. So things I've learned so far about polygel. I am nowhere close to a professional. I have never been never been experienced in anything like this. So a nail drill really would have been helpful in this situation to help file down the bottom, because I don't know how to smooth it up to perfection like nail artists do. Honestly, I have no idea how they do it. 2, need to learn how to buff the polygel so that it becomes one with my nail and it doesn't look like an overlay sitting on top of my nail. But I did it. I'm finally done. We shall see how long they last. If you guys are interested in picking up a polygel kit and starting to practice this, it definitely will save you a lot of bucks every month going to the salon. My babies are so tired and they are hungry, so I'm gonna go and feed them. This is my baby. Oh, he's happy. Hi, Papa. Okay. With that, I'm gonna wrap up this video now, and I'm gonna clear up and I'm gonna go eat some food. And if you guys did enjoy this video, thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you all in my next video. Adios amigos.